Yo, so this is me eating my omelet about a couple hours ago. I decided to get up this morning and make me an omelet. Now, disclaimer, I haven't made an omelet in a while, so this one came out a little rough. But if you follow these instructions and with practice, you too can make an omelet. So pretty much I just put my bacon in the cast iron, shredded some cheese, as you can see now, so I can be great. And then I have some onions and bell peppers on the side. We're just going to throw all that in there and then let everything just kind of mix in the pot or the pan anyways. And then I'm going to hit it with a little bit of peppercorn seasonings. You can add some seasoning if you want to. I try to avoid a lot of salt. And then pretty much just stir it around. Some of that bacon fat gets into the veggies, so that's always good flavor too. And then over here I decide I'm going to melt some butter in the pan. And then I already got my eggs mixed up. I got 3 eggs in here. You can use as many eggs as you want to, but I would recommend using more eggs than not enough because you'll have more room to work with when you're flipping it and everything. And also you don't run the risk of what happened here is when my egg was a little bit too thin. So I probably should have added a 4th egg in there, but it's all good. So then pretty much what I do is I scramble my eggs until they get almost done. And then once they're really almost done, I just use the spatula to kind of flatten it out a little bit. I throw my cheese nice in the middle, and then at this point I cut my skillet off and I'm just going to let the residual heat cook the rest. I throw my stuff right in the center, all my ingredients, and then I just kind of fold it over from the edges, and I fold it over that way. And I'm using a fork and spatula to kind of sandwich it together. Now, this looks horrible, but you put your plate on there, you flip it over, and it looks not too bad. Top it with some cheese, and you're good to go. So, yep. That's the final result. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for future recipes.